Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the WordPress difference between an administrator and an editor. Okay, this is a capability, this is a role in WordPress. So WordPress have different user roles, and your role can determine what you can do on the site, the things you have access to. So common sense would definitely tell us that the difference between an administrator and an editor is pretty simple with the word. Administrator have full right, full capability, full control over the site, and usually this is the person that set up the site or the person that have total control of the site and can do anything, even delete the entire site, uninstall themes, add new theme. While editor on the other side have a limited capability compared to the administrator. An editor can do things like publishing content, and editing certain files, but not up to the core file. So let's go ahead and check this. Okay, it said the administrator. This role holds all capabilities, which makes it the most powerful role with full control over the site. While editor has capabilities like publishing, editing, deleting any post type. Okay, so that's the difference between an administrator and an editor in WordPress. Now, apart from the administrator and the editor, there are other roles like the author, the subscriber, and so on and so forth, which you're going to learn about as we proceed on this short crash course on WordPress. So let's go to our dashboard here and go to probably something like users and go to all users. So we're going to leave this because we don't want to save. So you scroll down, you're going to see two users we have here, and they are both administrators. Okay, let's go ahead and edit one of the user here, for instance. Then we scroll down and go to the role, as you can see here. You click on this, so you're going to see several roles. We have administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber, LP instructor. So this other role, SEO manager and SEO editor, this other role are not default WordPress editor. They actually came from one plugin or the other. LP instructor should come from Learning Press, which is a plugin that adds additional functionality to the site for learning content management. And this SEO manager and SEO editor is also added by another plugin that added a new functionality for SEO to the site, which is the used SEO plugin. There are a lot of other roles which can be added automatically when you add a particular plugin that needs a new role for easy management of that particular function of that blog. So we're going to go ahead and change this person to an editor and not an administrator, and we scroll down and then we update the user. So when we do that, it said error, this email is already user, please choose another. Okay, so adding the email, let's change the email to info2. Then we set the user as an editor. Then we scroll down and update this user. Now, user updated, so go to users. Now, if you come to users, you see now when I have two users with an administrator and editor. If you log in as an editor, there are so many things you won't have function, you won't have access to like you have right now. There's so many things you're not going to see like you're seeing right now. So, guys, that is the difference between an administrator and an editor on WordPress. That'll be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.